Hey there, spice lovers. Are you a
Hmm.
fan of ginger? I know I am. Get ready for some cool ginger info. If you follow me, you know that I'm a smoothie lover. Actually, I'm an addict. Ginger is one of my favorite oils to put in my smoothie that I have every day. It adds a little spice and zing to it, plus all the benefits I'm going to tell you about. It's also great for that afternoon pick-me-up. Add a drop or two into your tea, and it's going to be just so amazing to make you feel energized. In this video, I'm going to share 5 cool ways to use ginger essential oil and why we use it. I'm Rainey Ray. I'm an essential oil enthusiast and educator. Hit that subscribe button and click the little bell thing to be notified every time I upload a video. At the end of this video, you'll be able to access my Living Younger Longer, Aging Backward guide.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
Well, let's dive in and we're going to talk about ginger essential oil today. Here are the 5 cool things that I told you that I was going to talk about today. Get ready to add some zing into your life with ginger essential oil. First of all, kick stomach discomfort and actually even morning sickness. Everyone has experienced stomach discomfort, and most pregnant women have experienced morning sickness. It's the bane of their existence, but ginger oil can come to the rescue. It offers a much needed relief by providing its anti-inflammatory properties that can calm your stomach and reduce nausea. And because it's so potent, you only need a drop or two to reap the benefits. Just add a drop or two in a diffuser. You can mix it with other oils if you like, or add a drop or two on a cotton ball and inhale deeply. You can also put ginger in with a carrier oil and apply it to the back of your neck and bottoms of your feet, to your wrist. If you really want to help with that queasiness, take a glass of water, add a couple drops of ginger, and just sip it slowly. Ginger essential oil is a must-have for all of us, but especially for expectant mothers with that morning sickness. The second cool thing is that ginger can help you soothe sore muscles. After a tough workout, your muscles can feel like they've been put through the ringer. But fear not, ginger essential oil is there to save the day. Just mix a few drops in with that carrier oil or even lotion and apply it onto your sore muscles. The analgesic properties will help to reduce or alleviate pain and inflammation. Plus, it has a warming effect, and it will soothe your sore muscles and even loosen tightened muscles. If you're feeling extra adventurous, add a couple of drops of ginger into a soothing, soaking bath. I recommend putting Epsom salts in to disperse the oil throughout the bath. The third cool thing is that ginger essential oil helps to fight off colds and flu. When colds and flu season hit, well, it's not season anymore, is it? It's all year round. It's important to arm yourself with tools that can help you get through it. Ginger essential oil can boost your immune system and fight off those pesky germs. Add a few drops to your diffuser or mix with carrier oil and apply to your chest and to the bottoms of your feet. Ginger has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which means it can help to prevent and treat those cooties and other pesky germs. And because it's a natural remedy, it won't leave you with any of those nasty side effects like some over-the-counter or pharmaceutical medication does. Stay healthy and sniff some ginger oil. The fourth thing I want to tell you about ginger oil is that it is great, as I said, for your digestive tract. So let's circle back and add a couple more things onto there. If you're feeling gassy or bloated after a big meal or whatever, ginger oil can help things get moving. Add a drop or two to a glass of water and sip it slowly. Ginger oil has been used for centuries to aid in digestion, and the essential oil is no exception. It can help stimulate your digestive system and alleviate discomfort. Plus, since it's a natural anti-inflammatory, that property can help to soothe any irritations that are going on in your gut. And if you feel particularly fancy, you can even cook with it. I do it all the time, and I'm not a fancy cook. Add it into your salad dressings, add it into your marinade, put it in your stir fry, put it in your soup to add a kick of flavor, and the health benefits are amazing. Last but not least, ginger can help with your mood and focus. Feeling a little down or scatterbrained? When I was going through my depression, I used ginger oil a lot to uplift my spirits. Just open the bottle and inhale it deeply from the bottle. Add it to your diffuser. It is amazing. The spicy aroma can help to stimulate your brain and improve your mood. It's a natural remedy, and unlike those over-the-counter or pharmaceutical remedies, it's not going to have those weird chemicals or side effects. Ginger essential oil is a great choice for anyone who wants to improve their mental clarity and emotional well-being. And if you really want to get fancy, you can even blend it with other oils like lemon, peppermint, things like that in your diffuser or in a roller and customize the scent and effect. So there you have it. 5 fun and fabulous ways to use ginger essential oil. Whether you're looking to soothe sore muscles, fight off the flu, ginger has got your back. Just remember, a little goes a long way with ginger, and start out small and see how it works for you. Well, as I promised, I want to give you access to my private oils for aging backward class by clicking on the link below. And also, well, that's down in the description below. And also, there's an additional link for my free Aging Backward Naturally guide. I am so grateful that you're here and that we're on this journey together. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this information to be valuable, and just go ahead and check out my other videos. Happy oiling. See you soon.